Want to enable 120 Hz promotion on your iPhone? First, confirm your model supports it. Only Pro and Pro Max models from iPhone 13 Pro onward, 13 Pro/Pro Max, 14 Pro/Pro Max, 15 Pro/Pro Max, 16 Pro/Pro Max, have 120 Hz. Standard, non-Pro models stay at 60 Hz, so there's nothing to turn on there. If you'd rather just verify the setting, open settings, tap accessibility, tap motion, then make sure limit frame rate is toggled off. When off, iOS dynamically uses up to 120 Hz for smooth scrolling, animations, and gameplay. If it's on, the phone is capped at 60 Hz. Keep in mind low power mode, extreme heat, or some apps like video playback at fixed frame rates can temporarily reduce refresh rate to save battery, and there's no manual always 120 switch. That's all it takes to enjoy 120 Hz on iPhone. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite iPhone display tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.